in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable your network adapter on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select network and internet on the left panel. And then on the right side, select advanced network settings. And then underneath network adapters at the top, where it says enable, go ahead and select the enable option for your network adapter, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.